Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing Asana Rebel. So if you don't know what this is, it is a fitness and wellness app that combines yoga-inspired workouts with elements of high-intensity interval training, or HIIT, and mindfulness practices. It aims to help users get fit, lose weight, and adopt a healthier lifestyle. So as you can see, I'm on their site right now. So they basically choose your gender, blah blah blah. Let me go through this really quickly. And then bear with me for a minute right here. So let me just type in any number that I want. Bear with me for a minute here. And as you can see, everything co-created with 100 plus world-renowned health experts, which they claim. So as you can see, you can choose the password. I'm just gonna do this. And right here, they actually ask for your email address. And maybe you're wondering if this app is actually legit. So since their questions are pretty straightforward, and I don't know, for me it's kind of sketchy. Let's head on over here to Trustpilot to see the reviews, and they are actually rated 3.1 out of 5 stars, which is an average score, but it is pretty bad for a company like this to be rated 3.1, since anything below 4 stars is really bad. So actually they have a lot of 1-star reviews. So let's head on over and read the reviews here. So sneaky business practices and charges. The flow is on the fast side. I don't know what that means. Charge without consent, no customer support. They always bill you for 2 years, so that's pretty shady. Terrible company did not remind me that the payment was due. Delete the app months ago, thinking this would cancel the subscription. That's his fault. I found the work was quite boring initially, blah blah blah. Had to pay £100, contacted customer service, but would not refund. And yeah, that's basically it. So maybe they're pretty shady when it comes to payment, since they don't notify you when it's payment, or they don't ever give refunds. So please do not use this app, since they're pretty shady and they might lose you a lot of money. So that is it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.